about how I was a non-credible person, not to believe a word that came out of my mouth.
Amber Heard has been caught lying under oath multiple times in court. As Camille Vasquez put it, "Your lies have been exposed to the world." However, this is not the only crime she's committed that could be potential grounds for jail time. Let us break down 5 of the crimes she committed. Heard lied under an oath about her bruises. According to Aaron Mink, a defamation lawyer, more and more objective evidence that she is lying about things under oath could lead to a sentence for the actress. He spoke out as the jury in the feuding couple's case is set to resume deliberations on May 31st at Fairfax Courthouse in Virginia, following their legal team's furious closing arguments. Mine told Joe a few days ago that he didn't believe Heard, 36, would face charges for anything she said on the stand during her ex-husband Johnny Depp's defamation trial. I think that this case goes on and we start seeing more and more objective evidence that she's lying about things under oath. That's when it starts crossing the line into the possibility that she is fabricating evidence, fabricating photos, fabricating bruises, altering evidence, and then submitting it, he said. Mink warned that fabricating evidence is extremely serious and extremely offensive to the legal system. When asked if he thinks police should look into claims she lied under oath about donating $7 million, he said, "Yes, I think so. While it may not be central issues in the case, perjury is the single greatest threat to our justice system. So the police may be called in to investigate to demonstrate that any public member who lies to the court can be prosecuted for perjury." She also lied about donation of divorce money to charity. Legal experts believe Amber Heard could face a police investigation for perjury after admitting she did not donate $3.5 million from her divorce settlement with Johnny Depp to charity, despite telling the High Court she had. After the couple divorced in 2016, Ms. Heard said she would split the $7 million settlement with the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles and the American Civil Liberties Union. However, in their libel trial on Monday, Heard testified that she has yet to make the full donation because Johnny sued me for $50 million in March of 2019. Heard contributed $350,000 of the funds herself in December 2018, and she has made no further payments. Depp also made a $100,000 contribution, with another $350,000 coming from a Fidelity Investments fund. Depp's lawyers accused Amber of giving away a fraction of the huge sum as part of a calculated and manipulative lie to make herself look better during their legal battle in the UK last year. Heard has said she fully intends to honor the pledges and would love for him to stop suing me so that I can. She is also in trouble with the Australian law for glassing. Team Depp brought out proof that Heard did attack Johnny Depp with a glass bottle. Unfortunately for Heard, the incident happened in Australia, where attacking someone with any piece of glass is a punishable crime with a minimal jail time of 3 years. It's called glassing. Since she caused significant damage to his hand, she could be looking at a longer jail period. She bribed the media for photoshopping her bruises. Heard's team presented photographs purportedly showing bruises and other injuries on Heard's face as evidence against Depp, but Vasquez was unconvinced. On Tuesday, the actress Amber Heard returned to the stand as cross-examination by Johnny Depp's attorney resumed. She was questioned about photos she took to document her alleged ex-husband's abuse. "I've never edited a photograph," Heard said after the jury was shown photos from the same incident but with different lighting. One photo of the actress's face after a rumored fight with Depp has significantly more saturation, making her redness appear brighter. But according to Heard, the only difference between the photos is the lighting. She claimed that the vanity light was turned on in one photo, but the other not. Furthermore, forensic experts have denied that the photos are genuine. Brian Neumeister testified in court on Wednesday and was asked about the authenticity of the photos showing Heard with bruises. When asked about the photos by Depp's lawyer, Neumeister said, "There's no way for any forensic expert to validate any of these photos." Neumeister then went on to list the data that can be extracted from a digital photograph. "I'm just stating the fact that photographs were modified," he said when asked if he thought if any of the photos in the case had been intentionally modified by Ms. Heard. "Are you saying Ms. Heard intentionally altered any of the photographs in this case?" Heard's attorney inquired. "That's correct," Neumeister replied. When asked about the first photo presented to the court, Neumeister stated that there are dozens of different versions of this photo, some with different file sizes, physical sizes, and some that have been processed through photo editing software programs. When the court saw 3 different versions of the photograph, Neumeister responded, all 3 of these photos had to go through some type of transformation to change sizes. She also lied about $6 million legal fees. Amber Heard's attorney, Elaine Bredehoff, took the stand on Friday to make her final argument to the jury in the defamation lawsuit filed against her by ex-Johnny Depp, claiming that her client had paid her legal team upwards of $6 million in costs. According to Bredehoff, Heard has spent extraordinarily expensive legal fees since Depp sued her and started a smear campaign against her. However, the truth is that her legal fees were fully funded by her insurance company. Do you think Amber will be sent to jail for these? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay in touch with all things pop culture. See you in the next video.